ash to ash, ember to bone, furrowed out, one road home. They don't raise this tune for drink or cheer. It drifts in when the night draws near, when the fire goes thin and the room won't breathe, and memory won't take its leave. Blackwood stands like scorched black pine, split by heat but holding time. Char along the grain, weather-worn, a man left standing after the storm. Three rode with him back in the years, four wrong turns and not much fear. Before the spark, before the fall, they shared a drink and that was all. Ash to ash, ember to bone, furrowed out, road home. They drank it hard, they drank it fast, to bury thought and outrun past. The bottle passed, the dark set in, and towns burned bright for letting them in. No music followed where they went, no prayer stayed, no mercy spent. Just shuttered doors and dying sound, and smoke that marked what once was ground. Ash to ash, ember to bone, the fire within, silence grown. Time took the riders slow and sure, as time does when debts endure. The road recalls each missing name, the fire remembers just the same. Blackwood kept on pace, worn thin like old chaw fed by dying wind. Still upright though the heat's long fled, carrying what the flame once said. Ash to ash, ember to bone, furrowed out, one road home. The fire stays low, the bottle waits. Some reckonings don't come straight, and legends change the more they're told, till truth goes thin and ash goes cold. If ever you catch smoke on clean night air, feel the dark pause like it's there. That ain't fear and that ain't lore, that's the ash riders at your door. Ash to ash, ember to bone, furrowed out, one road home. Night falls and your name rides the wind, a shadow carved where light had been. Whiskey burns where your hand once lay. I still see you when I look away. Boots by the door, they're gathering dust. I talk to silence, learning to trust. The porch light flickers, same old beat. You're Raise a glass to where you are, miles above, still not too far. You're in the stars, yeah, in the stars.